Hayi mina ke lezi zamamachi angizi support nje kakhulu. Isitha kwesinye isikhathi siyayenza isiqiniseko ukuthi silwa sodwa.
Yeah.
Isandla semfene asifuni ukuthi the African people bazwane, because uma singahlangana sizwane sama Africans, then it will be much easier ukulwa na the Europeans. We know ukuthi the real enemy here are the Europeans.
Yeah.
Akusi umuntu omnyama nomuntu omnyama. Sesicedile ukulwa nama foreigners. Ukhumbule phela ukuthi eNatali amashangane la eBush la bawabiza ngama-foreign. AmaZulu namashangana bashayisana, AmaZulu awafuna amashangana. That is why ngeke ulithola izulu elikhuluma isishangana. Phela ilento efunwa amabhunu ukuthi sidlane sonke siqedane.
Kune match namuhla uze speak la Mpumalanga Lydenburg ayisinza weMaZulu. Bekune match la Nelspruit lana, I think last month or last week there was a match. These Aswati people who are in Nelspruit. So why are you saying this thing in Mazulu?
Yeah.
Hello, sanibonani, ngiyanibingelela babukela emakhaya kamera mimkenani Kenny KJ Shungu with the place of milk and honey, the promised land in Votsala Mnyamatsu, and I welcome you. Thanks for tuning in. Ngiyacela ke ukuthi ungakhohlwa ukuthi usifollow lapho ku Facebook it's KJ Shungu, TikTok it's Kenny KJ01, YouTube it's Kenny KJ Shungube. Ngicela ukuthi ungifollow lapho. Namhla ngisempumalanga Mbombela Nelspruit, the place of the rising sun. I'll be talking to people ngibabutho sibona bacabanga kuthini bayibona imatch yendeka KZN, Joburg, all over South Africa. People are protesting beme nje ngalinye bathi bona bakhathele ma illegal foreigners, ma foreigner langana amaphepha la South Africa. So I'll be talking to people ngibabutho sibona la Nelspruit bathini, but namhla ngibonile eLydenburg people beba protest bathi nabo bakhathele abafuni. Nasethembisa sibonile nakhona beba protest basibona bakhathele. So stay tuned. I'll be talking to people ngibabuthe sive ma views wabo sibona bacabanga kuthini. Thank you. Nginomfundisi lana uPastor Taylor, ngizobe ngimbuta nje ukuthi what if you are 18 about what's happening in South Africa now. As you've seen, people are protesting. Bantu bayatoyitoy bathi bona basafuna ma illegal foreigners la South Africa. So Pastor Taylor,
sanibonani, ngiyanibingelela nonke nasemakhaya ngiyabingelela.
Yebo siyabonga Pastor Taylor. So Pastor Taylor, I hope ukuthi ubongile tenzabeni. You've seen all over South Africa kunema matches, even today kune match eLydenburg, people bayatoyitoya ngale case yona lena. Ethembisa kune match today, people bayatoyitoya basibona bakhathele ngama illegal foreigners. Ngifuna nje ukuthola uvo lwakho. What's your view as a pastor?
Yeah, okunye nje lokufanele ukuthi sikubone nje kakhulu ukuthi abaqala ukufika namhlanje dala bekhona. So lama protest lawa avuka njalo ngalesikhathi kufanele ukuthi kuyovotwa. So kukhona ke isandla semfene la okufanele ukuthi sisibone. Nangendlela ke futhi okwenzeka ngakhona isitha kwesinye isikhathi siyayenza isiqiniseko ukuthi silwa sodwa.
Yeah.
Uyabona. Njalo ngalesikhathi sokuvota nibuke lento sivamile vele lokuthi silwe sodwa. But kunama channels man bekufanele singene kiwo oqala, singazithatheli nje thina umthetho subeke ezandleni ngoba noma bangahamba siqoshe labantu. Kodwa lo mthetho lo wenza ukuthi labantu babe khona la usesekhona wona. Home Affairs isesekhona, Department of Labor isesekhona. Asikakayenzi next.
So kahle wena we are not supporting the march.
Hayi mina ke lezi zamamachi angizi support nje kakhulu ngoba silwa nani la phela silwa nama symptoms. Asishayi lenhloko yalenyoka. Ngoba kufanele sishaye inhloko la kuze lento ikwazi ukuphela. So ukulwa kona sizolwa netinto leyenzekayo la isandla semfene asifuni ukuthi the African people bazwane, because uma singahlangana sizwane sama Africans, then it will be much easier ukulwa na the Europeans. We know ukuthi the real enemy here are the Europeans. Akusi umuntu omnyama nomuntu omnyama are the Europeans.
So baba wami, you are not concerned because many South Africans are saying it's not like they're fighting all foreigners. They are against illegal foreigners. Labangena ngalokungekho emthethweni South Africa lana. Basibona ke these people if baganga abakhona ukuchayiseka and then they cheap labor ukuthi sometimes bamcasha because wangaphandle sebene in a company or restaurant whatever, amholela imali encane lo sekublock ama South African ukuthi angasaqashiki because bona bathatha whatever. So are you not worried about all those things?
Yeah, lokunye lokufanele ukuthi sikwazi illegal foreigners okokuqala akusibona abantu abamnyama. Nabelungu bangena ngokungemthetho. Sebaze banama document manje. So kungani ke singayenzi lento eyenziwe abelungu, sinikeze these foreigners ama document nabo njengoba belungu banikeziwe nawo ama document. So ilapho nje le ndaba mina ke angingeneleli kakhulu ngoba kukhona nokulahleka ikakhulukazi kithi thina abantu abamnyama siyasaba kuyiface lento ukuthi lokungabi nalo ulwazi kuyasenza kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi sithumeke nje kalula silwe nje sisodwa. Uyayibona? Yeah, and then ke mhlambe noma ungangibuzanga nje okunye kufanele ngene kuko ukuthi sesicedile ukulwa nama foreigners. Ukhumbule phela ukuthi eNatali amashangane la eBush la bawabiza ngama foreign. AmaZulu namashangana bashayisana, amaZulu awafuna amashangana. That is why ngeke ulithola izulu elikhuluma isishangana. So kuzokwenzekani ke after that? AmaXhosa namaZulu awazwani. Angisakhulumeke ke thina naseJoburg siyahlekwa nje siqhamuka samaswazi. So kuzokwenzekani after yonke lento senze? Phela ilento le ilento efunwa amabhunu ukuthi sidlane sonke siqedane.
Ngiyakuva mfundisi wami. So now you are saying ukuthi maZulu akavani mashangane, akavani maXhosa. So uthi mabacede ngalama illegal foreigners, what are you saying? You are saying bato attack amashangane, bato attack maXhosa and Swati, as you are saying ukuthi manifike eJoburg bayanhleka. That's what you are saying.
Yeah, engikushoyo ukuthi angeke kube into abayiqalayo ngoba bayayenza kumanje.
Yeah.
Uma ungasuka nje eBush uye Natal uzobuya ugijima la abakuzwa kahle. Ngikhuluma ngeyini MTN eJoburg sigibela kabuhlungu lapha. AmaZulu asiphethe. Uyabona? So masingakufihli lokho ukuthi sisenkingeni even kwathi na ama South African sinawo ama document but indlela amaZulu asitreata ngakhona iyashaya nje kakhulu. So kuzokwenzekani ke mase iphelile ke lezi impilo zabantu silwisa abantu bangaphandle sizovukelana sodwa. Hayi ukuthi sizovukelana sodwa vele asizwani nje sisodwa. So iyashaya leyo kakhulu.
So kahle you are saying this thing is a Zulu thing ngokwakho wena.
Uma ungabukisisa kahle abantu abahamba phambili futhi amaZulu ungizwe akalona iXhosa ungumZulu nophathwa wathwathi uphakela umthakathi. Uma ungabuka kahle ama leaders ukuthi icabinet vele lapha nepresident inamaZulu.
But baba wami ngiyakuva mfundisi wami uthi this thing emaZulu. Kune march namuhla uze speak la Mpumalanga Lydenburg ayisinza emaZulu. Bekune march London Spray lana, I think last month or last week there was a march. These Aswati people who are in the Spray. So why are you saying this thing eMaZulu?
Yeah, asibukeni foundation qalwa bobani lento. Uma singabuka kahle nje i-foundation baze balwiswe nje kakhulu ngoba there's this guy oyiqalile yavele yaphelela nje emoyeni. So kahle ize ihambe kahle lento ngoba into esenhlizweni yamaZulu yabona. Bakhona ukuyenza ibe impumelelo nebheka iyaphumelela vele babalwisa abantu kube impumelelo ngoba vele abafuni bafuna uZulu kube uyena. Yabona iSouth Africa bafuna ukuthi ibe ngeyomZulu ngeyamaZulu kube nje uZulu nje obusayo nje ngiloko nje kuphela izosishaya vele kakhulu.
And you are citing with what President Julius Malema once said, you see, let's not deport these people, it's a waste of money, rather let's find a way to document them because they are already here in South Africa. That's what we are saying.
Ngiloko kuphela bukani nale mali ewastekayo nje kakhulu uma kubuyiselwa labantu emuva. Nako lokho asikucabangi futhi kanti bekungaba lula banikezwe ama document ke labantu abahlale lana ngithi bazohlala kwesikhashana then umuntu kufanele abuyele emuva. Kuzoba lula ngaleyo ndlela ngoba umuntu uzozibuyelela yena emuva ungabuyeli ke emuva and then uzobe seseyaboshwa. Le ndlela le esenza ngayo siyabaxoxa labantu sibakhiphe la sibakhipha khona kodwa kufanele bayohlala eholweni somewhere. Then uma sebaseholweni somewhere angeke ummikise eNigeria ngenyawo nangempela fanele aflye lo muntu. Okay, ibuyaphike ke leyo mali leyo. Kokuqala bayingakho abantu baseNigeria bala, bangakho abantu baseMalawi labala. Imalini ewastwayo ngomuntu oyedwa uma ebuyiselwa emuva. Uma singatshelwa sifundiswe ngaloko ingqondo zabantu abaningi zingavuleka. Angali bakhona ke labo vele emiyabo ukulwa. Angikhulumi ke nalabo, ngikhuluma nalabo abalungele ukwenza umthetho njengoba ubekiwe.
Okay, ngiyakuva man of God. Ngicela ukutela kusikhongela lokukhuluma la ukhuluma as a pastor or ukhuluma as wena as a South African?
Mina ngikhuluma as a South African.
Okay.
Ngiyakhuluma njengomhlali wala Mzansi.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, baba wami siyabonga kakhulu ukuba nawe.